Hello everyone, I'm Brent with the Ariens Company. Since 1933, the Ariens Company has been manufacturing quality outdoor power equipment that lasts for generations. Today we are going to show you how to properly inspect the auger paddles on your Ariens Path Pro and replace them if necessary. As always, safety comes first, so make sure to wear eye protection, work gloves, and protective footwear. Also, make sure the ignition is in the off position and the key is removed. Let's get started. First, let's check the auger paddle for wear. There is a small hole on the paddle, and when the paddle wears to that hole, it's time to replace them. It's important to replace the auger paddles in a pair, as they work together to remove the snow. Make sure not to replace only one paddle at a time. We will start by tipping the unit back on the engine guard. Make sure to not tip the unit back any further, otherwise oil may leak from the engine. Next, use a 7/16 wrench or socket. Remove all the bolts, washers, nuts, and bushings from the paddles on the unit. When you remove the old paddles, it's important that you do not remove the center plate on the auger shaft. Next, as you are facing the front of the machine, take a new paddle and position it so the wear indicator hole is on the left side. Insert all 6 bushings into the holes on the new paddles. Now position the auger paddle so it sits in the center plate and the sides contact the auger's side plates. Once positioned correctly, insert 4 hex bolts through the 4 flat washers and insert these bolts through the paddle holes that contact the auger side plate. Without using washers, insert 2 more hex bolts through the auger paddle and center plate. Secure all bolts with flange nuts and tighten between 50 and 90 inch-pounds. Repeat for the remaining paddle. Once both paddles are installed, rotate the paddles by hand to make sure they don't contact the housing and that they are tightly attached. With regular care and maintenance, your Ariens snow thrower will continue to perform at its best through the most punishing winter conditions. Ariens, the king of snow.